Hi everyone, welcome back our channel. Today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic, things to keep in wallet to attract money. Money comes to those who know how to attract money. Here are 5 things to keep in your wallet to attract money. Let's check it out. 1. Silver coins. A silver coin in wallet can generate luck in more than one way. First, silver is money. Alongside gold, it has served humanity in God's simplicity for thousands of years. It has outlived society, civilization, kingdoms, empires, and republics. The second reason it should be in your wallet is that silver is a metal. Therefore, it represents the element of metal in the Feng Shui ecosystem, which is associated with calorie, preciseness, and freshness. It is also a symbol of abundance, wealth, as well as the propensity to saving, both as money that attracts more money and a representation of the metal element. Silver is believed to be one of the things to keep in your wallet for good luck. 2. Barrels and silver objects. The piece, just like silver coins, represent the metal element of the Feng Shui element. That means they attract abundance, wealth, and propensity to saving, as well as calorie and freshness. The advantage of having brass and silver objects over coins is that you can get the smallest piece that cannot take ample space in your wallet, nor impact the shape of your wallet. 3. Banknotes. Banknotes have the same impact on your wallet as silver coins. It is money placed there to attract more money. You should, however, make sure the banknotes are new and not crumble up. The higher the amount denomination, the better. It is, however, believed that having $108 kept in a separate compartment in your wallet attracts more positive energy and prosperity. It is also apparent that banknotes are one of the things to keep in your wallet to attract money. However, in a world with a more significant part of the money being digitalized, it is possible to function without ever touching banknotes. 4. Stones. Stones are a great representation of the earth element of the Feng Shui. They, therefore, attract the energies that nourish, stabilize, and grounding on a firm foundation. For even more potency, you should try to get black or green stones. You do not need huge pieces, but just more enough to fit into a nook or cranny of your wallet. 5. High account balance debit cards. Debit cards funded from bank account with high balances are great at attracting the receipt of saving. Based on the law of attraction, they represent or provide the energy attracting more money to the shell. Active membership cards to exclusive member club are also great as they represent prosperity, success, and growth. High balance bracket debit cards are especially necessary to cancel out credit cards you might be carrying in your wallet. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for your listening. See you later.